Hi, so to remove this plastic from the heater to reach the o-ring inside this heater, you have to push hardly and rotate this way, so in this way. I'm sorry, one moment. This way to remove it. So push and turn and remove it. You see these clips? One moment to activate the flash. One moment to focus this. You see these clips? It's going like this. One moment, I'm sorry. So you don't need to remove this way. Did you see it? This is for tighten. This is to separate. So push hardly and turn it halfway, and you will remove it. And this is the small o-ring. The water leaking from this o-ring and goes in this way and out from the machine. So, and like he said, Adrian, there is a o-ring there, but this is not the problem. The problem this way, or you have a problem in this ring. It's deformed or something like that. So this is the small o-rings, but the big problem came from here.